Hello students, today we learn Science chapter Friction part 2. Here we will discuss about increasing and decreasing of friction and fluid friction. Increasing and decreasing of friction. In our daily life, somewhere friction is desirable and need to increase. In some situation, friction is undesirable, so need to decrease friction. So friction is necessary for walking. For these, shoe soles are provided with grooves and treads. These treads provide better grip on the ground and we do not get slip. Tires of wheel also have treads which provide better grip on the ground when the wheel move and the brake is applied, the car stops. If such tread is not present, tires of the wheel would skid by applying the brake. These treads are the pieces of rubber that is on the tire. When the wheels move, these treads get eroded or by the friction. Sometimes it is required to change the tire or retread the tire again. Gymnasts use coarse substance in their hands to increase friction. You have seen in gymnasts the even like bars, rings, the gymnasts apply powder, chalk powder, which is a coarse substance in their hand for increased friction so that they can grip the bar or the ring properly. Cycle also has a brake system and a brake pad. Friction is increased in brake systems of the vehicles when the force is applied on the lever of the brake pad. The brake pad arrests the motion of the rim of the wheel and due to friction and the vehicle stops. Here you can see in the cycle there are two brake pads in the rear wheel of the cycle. When the brake is applied, these brake pads arrest the rim of the cycle and stops the motion of the cycle. So there is a necessity to increase the friction. Sometimes we have to change the brake pads because by erosion the brake pad get wear. Next, decreasing of friction. Somewhere friction is not desirable, so there is a need to decrease the friction. For this we can use lubricating substance. What are the lubricating substance or lubricants? The substance which reduce friction like oil, grease, graphite powder, etc. are known as lubricants. Oil drops are given at the door hinges to move it smoothly. Oil drop reduces the friction. Lubricating oil, grease, graphite powder is applied to machine parts to reduce friction and increase the efficiency of the machines. So what happens when lubricants are applied in the surface? In this figure you can see the two surfaces which are moving in opposite direction. In that very surface there is nothing, no lubricants is there in between. But when lubricating oil is applied in between these two layers or two surfaces which are moving, a layer is formed. So when the two surfaces move, they also take away a layer of oil with it. So the solid-solid friction, which is in the first figure, the solid-solid friction is converted into liquid-liquid friction, and solid-solid friction is more than liquid-liquid friction. So the movement becomes smooth. Here you can see graphite powder or graphite as a lubricant is used in the door keyhole so that the key move in the keyhole properly. Where oil is not desirable, their graphite is used as a lubricant. So lubricating oil makes a layer between the two contact surfaces which reduces friction, and solid friction changes into liquid friction. These layers prevent the direct contact of the surface and they move easily. These substances are known as lubricants. We sprinkle powder on the carom board for the same reason, to decrease friction. The granules of the powder fill up the irregularities on the surface and interlocking also decreases. For this, striker and the coins move easily on the board. Not only that, the granules of the powder are of generally spherical shape. So they roll when the striker or the coins move on the board. So the striker of the coin moves on the rolling granules of the powder. So here we can say the slight friction changes into rolling friction and the movement become easy. Another way to decrease friction by reducing or making the surface smooth. We can make the surface smooth by polishing the surface. So number of irregularities become less, hence interlocking also get reduced. Here you can see a polish machine is used to polish the surface. As a result, the surface becomes smooth and irregularities also get reduced. Air cushion also can be used to reduce friction. You can see here there is a machine named Hovercraft which use a air cushion of you can see here a black colored air cushion is there. So when the vehicle moves on the ground or on the water, from the air cushion the air comes out with a high speed, and when the air comes out with a high speed, the vehicles move a little bit above the surface and it moves very easily on the ground and on the water surface.